Welcome to Getting Paid, ASAC Tutoring Lab's guide to completing biweekly reports and timesheets. So what do you need to know, or what do you need to do to get paid? 3 things. Number 1, pay attention to the biweekly pay schedule. 2, complete your biweekly reports. And 3, submit your timesheet. Here's the Fall 2018 biweekly pay schedule. On the PowerPoint on Blackboard, it's hyperlinked. You can also access it via the MyAU portal, the banner Work at AU, and Timesheets. Please note that you must turn in your biweekly reports and your timesheets by 5 p.m. of the last day of the pay period. Reminders will be emailed. New hires without paperwork on file, don't worry, you'll just carry your hours into the next pay period if you're not already on payroll. Biweekly reports. At the bottom left, you can see one of the snippets of what a biweekly report looks like. You've got the days of the week, you've got lab hours, drop-in hours, admin time, one-to-ones with supervisor, peer observation, trainings, prep time in total. Then on the right-hand side, you have the pink section, which kind of asks for a description of events. You don't need to, for instance, write in what you did in a tutoring session, but if it says, for instance, peer observation, you should put the date and who you observed. If it's prep time, then you want to make sure that you state what you did to prepare. And if there's anything else that you are asking to be paid for, first of all, I hope you'll clarify with me in advance, and second of all, this is where you should be putting it in. You will get an individualized Google Sheets link sent to you. Lab refers to tutoring done in the library. Drop-in refers to tutoring done in Anderson. It also refers to the drop-in tutoring day held at the end of the semester. Admin and prep time refers to time spent completing tutoring-related tasks like checking email or prepping for your sessions. As a reminder, you should be making sure to do as much of this during your shift as possible since you're already being paid for that time. Timesheets. Hours from biweekly reports must correspond accurately to your online timesheet in order for you to get paid. You will receive a reminder if you've not completed this accurately. However, if this happens multiple times or even becomes a regular occurrence, you're just not going to get paid for that pay period during the appropriate time frame, and you will face disciplinary measures. You can see the Peer Educator Manual for more information on this. That's all we've got. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email tutoring@american.edu or ask the lead peer tutors to clarify and share some insight.